Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today is Monday, February 16th, 2009. This is for tomorrow's trading day. On Friday, the market was mostly sideways all day. The Dow was down 82 points, the Nasdaq was down 7, and the S&P 500 was down 8 points. Starting off with the daily chart of the S&P 500, you can see that we still have this uptrend line in play here. The market's still hovering right around this level. Zoomed into the 10-minute chart, you can see that we came up and almost tested this declining 5-day moving average, got a little bit of a sell-off, started to rally back up again, almost tested it again, and then dropped back down. Market's looking a little weak here. Haven't been able to get back above this 5-day moving average, and it looks like we are putting in a lower high. I'm looking for a break below this level here to put us short-term in a short-term downtrend again, which is right around where we closed on Friday. If we zoom back out to the 60-minute chart, you can see that we was never able to get past this level. Had a pretty sharp sell-off. 5-day moving average started to decline. We came back up to it, couldn't get above it. Starting to head back down, it looks like. A little bit farther down, we have this larger support area here, which would be right around the 81.40 level. I think a break below that level will bring in a lot more sellers into this market. Looking at some of the individual stocks on my watch list, one of the first ones I'm looking at is SHLD. I may or may not have mentioned this one before. I think I did in one of my earlier videos. Anyway, on the daily time frame, you can see that we've put in these lower highs. We are trading below this 50-day moving average. 10-day moving average is below the 20, which is just starting to cross below the 50. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, you can see a little bit better the series of lower highs we had in here. 5-day moving average is declining. Zoomed into the 10-minute time frame, we got a break below this previous low here. We closed right around this area. If we break down farther from here, it looks like we could see some more sellers. I'll be looking to enter this one depending on where it opens. Hopefully right around where it closed on Friday. Yeah, if I do enter, my stop will be right above this level for a profit target on the daily time frame. My first target will probably be this level here, and then I might hold some all the way down to November's lows. Another one on my list is IWM, or the ETF that tracks the Russell 2000. It's looking probably the weakest of all the indices. We've had this uptrend line here that was broke, got a little bit of a rally up from it. Zooming in on a 60-minute time frame, looks a lot like the S&P that I pointed out earlier. We've had this level of resistance here that we couldn't get past. Also, let me zoom in here to the 10-minute chart. We came up, just barely got above this 5-day moving average, but it acted as a resistance. We sold off, tried to come back up and test it again at the end of the day, put in a lower high, still couldn't get through it. Came back down, closed right around the support area here. Depending on where the market opens up on Tuesday, I want to look to enter this one not too far off from this area here. If it gaps down, I won't chase the gap because I never try chasing the gaps in the morning. If I do enter it, my stop will be right around this 45.50 level. Target to the downside will be somewhere right around in this area, down around last year's lows. The one on my list is TJX. This is called a long side. The market does rally. We have a flattening 50-day moving average. It looks like it's starting to point up a little bit. 20-day above that, 10-day above that. We got a pretty strong rally back here. little bit of retracement. We zoom in to the 60-minute chart. You can see this big run up we had. Actually, if you put some Fibonacci from the bottom here all the way up to the top of this rally, you see that it retraced back right around the 50% level, got a little bit of a bounce off that. I want to wait for this one to get back above this level here, which would be around the 22.25, 22.30 level. If it gets back above there, back above this 5-day moving average, it might make for a good long entry. Another stock I'm looking at is HRZ. This stock here has been basing out for a while. This has this major resistance area right here. Zoomed into the 10-minute chart, you can see that see that level's right around here. We broke through it just a little bit, came back down. We're right around that same level again. The 5-day moving average is inclining. I think a break above this level here could bring in some more buyers on this one, with a stop right below this level here. As always, I have a lot more stocks on my watch list that you can find on my website at marketaddiction.net. If you're watching this video on YouTube, be sure to check it out. Also, be sure to check out the links on the side. Just added a new portfolio link so you can track all of my trades, the positions that I'm in, and some of my recent positions. Be sure to stop back and have a great day.